Welcome to sqadia.com, where we are dedicated to providing high-quality educational content for students around the world. In this video lecture, we will be exploring the fascinating topic of the lower lime foot. The foot is truly an incredible structure, and despite its small size, the foot is a complex system of bones, joints, muscles, tendons, and ligaments that work together to provide support and stability for our entire body. The foot is a remarkable body part that serves a multitude of purposes beyond its primary function of supporting our weight. It acts as a shock absorber and distributes the body's load evenly when we stand or walk, reducing the strain on our muscles and joints and preventing injuries. But that's not all. The foot is also crucial for maintaining balance and providing us with the ability to move. When we walk or run, the foot undergoes a complex series of movements that require the coordination of several joints and muscles. This allows us to navigate through our surroundings with grace, change direction, and move forward efficiently. Throughout this lecture, we will be diving deep into the anatomy of the foot, exploring the various structures that make it up and how they work together to create movement. Whether you are a medical student, a healthcare professional, or simply someone who is curious about the human body, this lecture is for you. The human foot is an intricate and fascinating piece of anatomy, made up of several bones that work together to carry the weight of our bodies. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of the anatomy of the foot, with a specific focus on its dorsum and sole of the foot.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.